This 2025 Jayco Seismic 395 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Columbia City, Indiana, 46725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 46 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.